Namaskar everyone. I am Desai from Mira Global Kids. Welcome you to our maths class. First of all, let's do the prayer. Om Bhurvashvah Tastaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurvashvah Tastaviturvarenyam भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति. Rub your palm, kids. Put on your eyes and open your eyes. Namaskar everyone. Good morning and hope you all are safe and healthy. Now let's start our today's work, and first of all we revise whatever do in the last video. So let's see the our flashcard. Okay kids, this is, which shape is this? Yes, this is circle shape. This is circle shape. And what is the how many sides and corner circle has? Yes, there is no sides and no corners in the circle shape, right? And the spelling of circle shape is CIRCLE, circle, circle. Okay. Then after triangle, 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 triangle. Okay kids, now first of all tell me which things we can see in the circle shape. Do you think, and do you find the circle things? Yes, we can find the circle things of bangle, then after ring, right? Circle, clock. Okay, then yes, the plate which from we are going to eat, chapati, right? These things are in the circle shape. Okay, then after triangle, TRIANGLE, triangle. Okay, how many sides triangle has? Yes, 1, 2 and 3. And how many angles? How many corner triangle has? 1, 2, 3. 3 corners triangle has. And do you find the triangle shapes in your house? Yes, we can find the pieces of sandwich, pieces of pizza, samosa, hanger जिसमें हम cloth hang करते हैं, right? These things are in a triangle shape. Then after rectangle, what is the spelling of rectangle? RECTANGLE, rectangle, rectangle. And how many sides rectangle has? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides of rectangle shape. And in the rectangle shape, opposite sides are equal. In the rectangle shape, opposite sides are equal. Okay. And how many corner rectangle has? 1, 2, 3, 4. And which things you find in the rectangle shape in your house? TV, right? Television, mobile phone, your door, right? And so many all the things we can find in the rectangle shape, right? Then after, this is the shape of square. This is square shape. And what is the spelling of square? SQUARE, square, square. And how many sides square has? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides square has? 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this square shape, all sides are in a equal size. Okay, and the 4 corners, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then after oval. Then after oval. Oval has no corner and no sides. And what is the spelling of oval? O-V-A-L, oval. ओवल जो शेप है वो सर्कल से कैसे अलग है? क्योंकि वो यहाँ पे आगे से थोड़ा सा लॉन्ग है, इसीलिए वो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है बिटवीन ओवल एंड सर्कल, राइट? आफ्टर दैट दिस इज द स्टार. दिस इज द स्टार shape. Okay, and what is the spelling of star? S-T-A-R, star. Okay kids, these are the flashcard of the shapes. Okay kids, now let's see whatever we have to do in our today's classwork. Today we are going to learn shape oval and star. Okay, today we are going to learn shape oval and star. First of all we draw the oval shape. Okay, oval shape में कैसे करेंगे? ये जो है वो सर्कल के जैसा ही होता है ना, मगर ऊपर से थोड़ा ऐसे लंबा सा ड्रॉ करना है, राइट? नॉट इन द प्रॉपर सर्कल, वो ऊपर से थोड़ा ऐसे लंबा ड्रॉ कर देना है. दिस इज ओवल इन अ शेप. ओके किड्स, so first of all we write the spelling of oval, and here we have to write oval has no corners and no sides. And what is the spelling of oval? Skip one line and write down O-V-A-L, oval. Skip one more line and write down again O-V-A-L, oval. Skip the one line and write again O-V-A-L, oval. Okay. Now kids, tell me which things we can see in the oval shape. Do you see the oval shape things? Yes, I told you the oval shape things. We can see the watermelon. आप लोगों ने watermelon देखा है? It is oval in the shape. It is oval in the shape. It is also can be round also. वो सर्कल में भी कभी कभी हमें देखने को मिलता है. Then after tomato, can you see the tomato? Yes, it is also in the oval shape. Then after lemon, after that वो जो रैकेट आप जिससे खेलते हो, राइट? शटल कॉक खेलते हो जिससे, वो रैकेट भी ओवल शेप का होता है, राइट? इट इज ऑल्सो इन दी ओवल शेप. देन आफ्टर बेसबॉल, जो बेसबॉल होता है वो भी ओवल शेप में होता है. आफ्टर दैट वी सी द टॉफी, जो चॉकलेट आप देखते हो, इट इज ऑल्सो इन दी ओवल शेप. आफ्टर दैट विच थिंग्स आर इन ओवल शेप? डू यू लाइक हॉट डॉग? आपको हॉट डॉग पसंद है? उसका जो बन होता है वो भी ओवल शेप में होता है, राइट? Then after which things we find in the oval shape, kids? Okay, after that we can see the brinjal. Do you see the brinjal? Do you like this vegetable? It is also in the oval shape. Okay, then after mirror, जो होता है वो भी ओवल शेप में हम लोग फाइंड कर सकते हैं. डू यू सी द एग? जो बर्ड के जो एग होते हैं वो भी हम ओवल शेप में देखते हैं, राइट? सो दिस थिंग्स आर वी कैन सी इन दी ओवल शेप्स. नाउ वी लर्न शेप स्टार. नाउ वी लर्न द शेप स्टार. हाउ टू ड्रॉ द स्टार? We can draw the star easily like this. हम यहाँ पे आपको स्टार easily ड्रॉ करके दिखाते हैं. First we have to draw slant line, then after again slant line, then after we draw the slant line, slipping line and slant line. This is the shape star. This is the star. We can ड्रॉ द स्टार लाइक दिस ऑल्सो. हम इसको ऐसे भी स्टार में ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. जैसे आप एक सीधा ट्राइंगल बनाओगे. आपको ट्राइंगल बनाना आता है? राइट। तो एक ट्राइंगल आप ऐसे सीधा बनाओगे, एक ट्राइंगल जो है वो आप उस ऐसे उल्टा बना दोगे। सो दिस इज ऑल्सो स्टार, ओके। एंड व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ स्टार? STAR, स्टार, STAR, स्टार। Skip one line and write again STAR, star. Again we have to write the spelling of star. STAR, star. Okay. This is the spelling of star and this is the we draw in the star shape. Now tell me which things we can see in the star shape. Yes, starring at the night. We can see the star at the night. They are blinking in the night, right? So the stars in the sky is in the star shape. And starfish. आपने कभी starfish देखी है? It is also in the star shape. Okay? Starship, stars जो होते हैं, जो हमें नाइट में देखने को मिलते हैं, वो भी स्टार शेप में होते हैं। ओके किड्स, सो दिस इज आवर टुडेज क्लास वर्क। ओवल शेप, OVAL, ओवल, एंड स्टार, STAR, स्टार, STAR, stars. Kids, you have to find the oval shaped things and star shaped things in your home and stick these things in your notebook. Now let's see how to write in the notebook. You can write individual page or both the shapes in the one page. आप अलग अलग पेज में भी लिख सकते हो या तो फिर दोनों shapes एक पेज में लिखोगे। First you have to write class work and date. Then after heading, shape, oval, and star. Okay, आज हमने दो शेप सीखे हैं, ओवल एंड स्टार। हियर यू आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ ओवल शेप जो थोड़ा सर्कल से लंबा होगा, है ना, ऊपर की ओर से ओवल शेप। एंड देन आफ्टर स्टार, जो आपको इजी लगेगा वही आप ड्रॉ करना है, या तो फिर ये वाला ड्रॉ करना ट्राइंगल बना के, या तो फिर आप इस तरह से जो मैम आपको स्टार्स देते हैं, राइट, इस तरह से भी आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हो। नाउ ओवल शेप के नीचे ओवल का स्पेलिंग लिखोगे, वन लाइन स्किप करके, OVAL, ओवल, वन लाइन स्किप करोगे फिर और वापस लिखोगे OVAL, ओवल। अगेन यू हैव टू स्किप द लाइन एंड राइट OVAL, ओवल। You have to speak and write so we can remember the things very easily. OVAL, oval. And star के नीचे स्टार के स्पेलिंग्स लिखोगे, STAR, star. Skip one line and write STAR, star. Skip one line and write the spelling of star. Okay kids, so this kind of you have to write your today's class work. Okay kids, and you have to take the cutout of chart paper, right, and take one cutout of chart paper and stick the sprinkling the glitter on the stars so we can see the star are blinking, right? So this is the oval shape and this is the star shape. Now let's see which things we can find in the shapes we around us. Okay kids, can you see the clock? Can you see the clock? Yes, this clock is in which shape? Yes, it is in the circle shape. It is in the circle shape. Then after, can you see the door? Can you see this door? Yes, can you see this door? This door is in which shape? Yes, shape. Okay kids, then after we see the tile. ये जो हमारी floor tiles है, we can see these floor tiles in the square shape. We can see these floor tiles in the square shape. Can you see this? Yes, in which these are in the circle shape. These all are in the circle shape. See this paint dish. It is in the oval shape. This paint dish is in the oval shape. Okay, kids? And kids, we can see the star shape in the night. We cannot see the star shape in the morning because of the sunlight. सनलाइट की वजह से हम स्टार्स को सुबह नहीं देख पाते हैं ना, रात को डार्कनेस में वो हमें अच्छे से ब्लिंकिंग करते हुए दिखाई देंगे. सो वी कैन सी द स्टार शेप इन द नाइट. So these all are the shapes which are going to learn. Okay kids, I hope you understand this kind of shapes and remember and recognize easily. Thank you kids.